Okay, we have a Haas vertical machining center, model TM1P tool room mill. Serial number 106782, it's new in 2008. It has a 10 station ATC, 10.5 by 47.75 inch table, 30 inch of X, 12Y, 16 of Z, 6,000 RPM spindle, and we are running. Haas control. 1,000 RPM. 2,500 RPM. It goes again up to 6,000. Machine also has programmable coolant and a Renishaw probe. 4,000 RPM. Spindle stop. Machine also has a full enclosure. It's the X-axis, we just saw the Z. It's the X. And that's your Y. And we're going to do a tool change. Oh, the machine also has a chip auger. That is a Cat 40 spindle taper. All right. Hey, thank you for watching our video.